am so excited to talk about the St. Jane SPF today. You have no idea. I'm wearing it under my foundation today. I got this in the Sephora Sun Kit of 2023. Watch this wear test. New sunscreen day. This is the St. Jane Luxury Sun Ritual Pore Smoothing SPF 30 non-nano zinc oxide 10%. It's reef safe, mineral, clean, vegan. What does clean even mean? What does clean even mean? Oh, it's a little, maybe I should have shaken it up some. There's some liquid coming out. It's tinted. This could be good or could be bad. And 2, okay? Yeah, it's not liquidy. Okay, it could be good or bad. Looks a little yellowy to me. I feel like I'm gonna need more than 2 fingers. Okay, it does feel nice on your skin. It feels hydrating, refreshing a little bit, I think. I need a little bit more on my forehead. I used most of it on my nose and cheeks. There we go, eyebrows. I'm not gonna put this on my eyes because it is scented and possibly has essential oils. Oh, this is a good match for me though. I'm gonna put it under eyes. I wish it was 50. It feels like it's gonna dry down quicker than normal. It's not too dark for me. Yay. There's no white cast. There's not even a milkiness. So I think some darker skin tones could definitely wear this. I'm gonna put some makeup on, some foundation, because I got to go to the grocery store today. And I'll check back in with you after it's dried down. 10-15 minutes. Okay, bye. It's been 10 minutes and the St. Jane sunscreen has dried down quickly. It is a natural finish. It's not matte. It's not glowy. It just looks like skin. I mean, you can see a little bit of glow, but it's like a healthy, moisturized face glow, not a greasy sunscreen glow, if that makes sense. The scent did dissipate. It's gone soon after I applied it. So I'm gonna put makeup on and I will check back with you in 2 hours. Let's see how it does under foundation. Just popping in because I just put my makeup on and it laid down beautifully on the St. Jane sunscreen. Absolutely gorgeous. I use my Misha BB cream like always. I'm impressed. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. It's like crisp cool. I just checked the mail, so I'm holding all the mail in my arms. But I wanted to do my 2-hour check-in. Oh my goodness, the St. Jane sunscreen. I need to look to see if they have an SPF 50. I really like this. It didn't change the texture of my foundation. There's no shine that popped through. It's fantastic. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna continue wearing it for a week or until the bottle runs out because it was just a sample size. Okay, I used a matte foundation on top of the St. Jane sunscreen today. Look at this. I swear the St. Jane blurs pores. Look how smooth it looks. Fantastic. Loving this sunscreen. I did look on their website to see if they had an SPF 50 and they don't. Why? Hi, I'm Sean, Melanoma Mom. I would love for you to join me on my mission to prevent skin cancer by subscribing to my channel and sharing a video with a friend. Okay, let's talk about the pros and the cons. You just watched my wear test and I was super excited to be wearing this again today. I probably have one more use left out of this. I've used it for a full week, but I don't think I'm going to repurchase for 2 reasons, but I'm going to save those 2 reasons for the end. Okay, pros. The full size is 1.7 ounces for $38, which for a luxury sunscreen is a great price. That's right there alongside Elta MD, Supergoop. So this is not your drugstore sunscreen, but if you like a luxurious experience on your face, this might be for you. It is SPF 30, vegan, clean, reef safe, mineral, non-nano zinc oxide 10%. It does have a scent It says desert rose, jasmine, hibiscus. It's a very luxurious, rich person smelling scent, in my opinion. And for some odd reason, normally scents bother my eyes. This one, I put it all around my eye and I have no problems. It is tinted and it tends to look a little yellowish when it comes out of the bottle. But on me, it's the perfect tint. It blended right in. It was not too dark at all, but the tint makes sure that it does not have a white cast. If you have darker skin tone and you've tried this, let me know, because I suspect that this does not cause a white cast on darker skin tones, but I could be wrong. The finish you saw, it's like a natural finish. It's not super matte. It's not glowy. It just looks like skin. And I love how it feels. It doesn't feel drying on my face. It doesn't feel too hydrating. It's just that perfect skin-like natural texture and feel. I have combination skin. In the colder months, I tend to get dry patches, but we're moving into the summer, so my face will start getting oily places in my T-zone. And this, I'm loving this. I swear, it also blurs my pores slightly. It sits beautifully under every foundation, and I tested this 3 foundations. My regular Misha BB cream, which tends to be a fuller coverage and more natural leaning luminous. My matte Dior Forever did fantastic under, and then I tried it under a very light Shiseido skin tinted moisturizer foundation. It performed fantastic. It's lightweight, you don't feel it on your face. When I look on the Sephora reviews, it has 4.8 stars, 90% recommend, and it has 522 reviews, which is fantastic. And as I'm scrolling through, there are a lot of darker skin tones using this product, so that's hopeful. We're going to talk about some cons, and the biggest con for me is separation, and I haven't quite figured out how to solve that problem. So you get kind of the gloopy, you get the regular sunscreen, and then it comes with like this clear oil that comes out with it the same, and then you kind of have to mix it yourself in your fingers, which is inconvenient. So I'm not sure why there is a separation. I thought it was just mine, but looking at the Sephora reviews, it seems to be consistent across the board. I've tried shaking it, which seems to help a little bit, but not really. You can't really like knead the bottle because it's a squeezy tube. You've got to leave the lid on so it doesn't just squirt out, and it won't let you knead the product, which is a little bit disappointing. The other reason I'm not going to repurchase this, although I really want to, is that it's SPF 30, and going into the summer, I really want an SPF 50. Now I might repurchase this in the fall when I'm not going outside as much. It's not water resistant, but really this is the perfect sunscreen for underneath your foundation that acts like a primer as well. And I mean, the packaging, look at this packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. Today is a great day to wear sunscreen, and this one might be the perfect one for you.